This is an official Kirby Perler Bead Kit that I bought in Japan last year for less than $10. We went to this store called Don Quixote that was in Shibuya, and they had everything. It was truly a fever dream entering and browsing this store because they just had so many character goods and everything was tax-free for us tourists. This year, I got to go to the Kirby Cafe with my brother, and this was such a fun experience. There was delicious food, and it was the perfect place to take pictures of my completed Kirby sprites. Inside of this kit, there are the tweezers and ironing paper, all of the beads that are sorted by color in individual bags, and then 2 large templates with all of our Kirby and Waddle Dee designs. It came with a clear pegboard, but it was kind of already curving, so it wasn't completely flat on the templates, but it was good enough for me to see where I needed to place all of my beads. So I just followed the template. I placed the black beads as the outline first, which is what I like to do, and then I filled it in with all of the different colors. It was really fun to try to figure out the names for the colors in this Japanese kit. They have the normal white and black shiro and kuro, but then they have sango iro, which is like a coral pink. They have apricot, tangerine, which I think you can figure out what colors those are. And now let's move on to this Kirby that's holding a little star wand or lollipop. Having a template like this actually makes it a lot faster, I think, to fill up the outline. You don't have to count or anything, you just place it right on top. So it was fun doing this and following along. I didn't really need to use a lot of brain power to do it. And then I also made some of my Kirby's on my live stream that I've been doing every week. This was a spontaneous live stream that I did to do the Kirby, but every week I've been doing a Pokemon challenge live stream where I try to make all 151 Pokemon. And then of course the occasional other character like Kirby and Waddle Dee. It's been really fun doing these live streams, and I really hope you can join me on one of these live streams one day and then we can bead together. I really like the added touch of these smaller accessories like the tomato and the lollipop, as well as the pastel stars that go so well with Kirby. Now for ironing the beads, I'm just using the masking tape method to get all of the beads off of the board and keep Kirby stuck and nicely in place. Then I have my iron on a medium heat setting. This is polyester for my iron. And then I just iron both sides. I know a lot of people can struggle with ironing, so if you check out my live stream VODs, you can watch me and iron with me in real time just to see how I do all of this. I think that's one of the great things about live streaming, is being able to show people in more detail how I do my Perler Bead projects. I can also interact with you. I can talk to the chat, answer any questions, give you guys tips if you need any. So if you ever get a chance, I tried to live stream in the evenings around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've been doing every Friday so far, but let me know when is usually a good time. When are you off work or off school? I would love to know, and it would be such a great time getting to bead and chat with you. It's also a really nice opportunity to yap and just talk about random things. I talked a little bit about my experience playing Kirby as a kid. My very first Kirby game was Kirby Squeak Squad. That was the best game ever. And then I got Kirby Superstar Ultra eventually. I think that was the name. And I even had a viewer who really knew about Kirby lore. Also love to end off the stream sometimes with doing a little unboxing of mystery bags or little products that I like to have. I really love collecting things. Unboxing my first Living Series Smiski. And it's... Yes! Oh my gosh, another Smiski with a cat! I just got a cat one last time. Oh my god. This is the one I got last time. Sleeping with the cat and Smiski crouched down with the cat. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. I love cats. Welcome to the Kirby Cafe in Tokyo, Japan, right beside the Tokyo Sky Tree, which is so cool, like CN Tower could never. And this is the entrance of the cafe. They offered to take a photo for you. We were seated at the DDD table, and I was there with my DD, who is a big fan of Kirby. This is the menu of all of the beautiful Kirby items. There's takeout menu items as well, with the wispy woods right in the center of the cafe. I loved seeing the Kirby theme everywhere. There were these little details that you really had to take a close look at. Just loved the whole environment. This was the kitchen, and we ordered all of our food in one go. They could only let you order once, so this is what my brother got. He got the waddle dee curry in an egg blanket. Oh my gosh. I got the wispy woods. There's a variety plate with a chicken teriyaki, salad head, and there was a cheese fondue at the trunk. And there's a little Kirby ceramic that you get to keep and put on top of the star rice. And then one of my favorites is the carbonara Kirby pizza.
Even the cutlery. Look at this cutlery. So cute. Kirby Cafe cutlery. I think out of all of the meals, my favorite is the pizza. This wispy woods is pretty good too. The cheese in there is nice, but I think the pizza tastes the best. The wispy woods has a variety of things. This is chicken, and then some rice and veggies.
Now for the dessert, it is a Kirby mousse that looks like a car. It was really cute and beautiful.
Matcha. I'm gonna get a kiwi. Cream puff. That's pretty good. Matcha. And this is my little chef Kirby that I'm gonna bring home.
We really devoured this dessert, and I made sure to take lots of pictures with the 2 sprites that I made before coming to Japan. By the end of our meal, the cafe was pretty empty. Like, it was a really cozy and relaxing environment, not too busy.
We have finished our delicious meal at Kirby Cafe, and it was 9,042 yen. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, now we just have to pay the bill.
I really wish I finished more of these sprites, but it looked really cute anyway, and my brother at the end got some more Kirby merch. This is like a Kirby pudding magnet that we won from a lucky draw, and then he got his Waddle Dee rice bowl that was a magnet, very cute, and even some little keychains that are Kirby Cafe themed. 皆さん、これはカービィとワドルディのパーラービーズコレクションです。楽しかったです。かわいいですね。見てくれてありがとう。じゃあね。バイバイ。